Hello everyone, and welcome to Drama Explorers Academy. Ready to become a scriptwriter? Today you'll learn how to turn your story ideas into a proper script that actors can perform. There is a difference between scripts and stories. A story is written like this. The hero walked into the castle and said he would save the princess. But a script looks completely different. A script shows exactly what characters say and do, like this. Hero, I will save you, princess. Hero walks into the castle. Here are the golden rules for scripts. Rule number 1, character names. Write the character's name in capital letters, followed by a colon. Rule 2, dialogue. Right after the colon, write exactly what the character says. Rule 3, stage directions. When you want to show action or movement, put it in square brackets. Here's what a proper script section looks like. This format helps actors know exactly what to say and do. They can read their character's name, know when to speak, and see the actions they need to perform. Here are your script writing tips. Keep dialogue clear and simple. Use stage directions to show important actions. Make sure each character sounds different. And don't forget, this will be performed, not just read. Are you ready to write? Now you know how to format a script properly. Take your story ideas and turn them into scripts that actors can bring to life on stage. Remember, character name, colon, dialogue, and stage directions in brackets. You've got this. See you next time.